June is the birthday month for Bubbles and Pebbles, not actually birth month, but adoption month. In June, 12th of June 2020, I've got Bubbles and Pebbles. I adopted them and brought them home from a breeder. So, in this month, I'll be giving them some presents, some homemade toys, and some toys that I'll be buying online. And now, as per the breeder, Bubbles and Pebbles hatched in March 2020. So, if the date is correct, they are over 1 year old now. So, they have come to me, it's just going to be 1 year, and their age is over 1 year now since it's June 2021. So, I buy online toys for them, and they love wooden toys. And this is one toy that I have just bought, and this is a wooden swing with wooden beads, colorful wooden beads, and a natural wooden perch, not a regular double perch, natural wooden perch with two sturdy little bells. They love it. And this is the first time I'm showing them this toy, and they are already liking it. So hopefully it will be a hit for them. As I do with any new toys, I never keep anything new that I buy straight into the cage. I introduce them outside the cage because they are small birds, they get scared, and that's why I just introduce all the toys, everything new that I get outside their cage, and then I decide whether I should put it inside the cage or not. So far, Bubbles and Pebbles are liking this little wooden toy, swing toy. They can chew and destroy all these wooden beads. Parrots love to chew, and my parrots, they love to chew just about anything, and they are pretty destructive. So I hope this will keep them engaged. The one problem is like it comes with the wait on Bubbles. It should be hanged like this, but the cage is pretty small because most of the time Bubbles and Pebbles are outside around 6 to 8 hours they spend outside the cage, and they have their meals inside the cage mostly and go to sleep also inside the cage, and towards the morning when I'm busy for 1 or 2 hours they're inside the cage. So it's morning time, they haven't got their breakfast yet. Bubbles is again dancing. Bubbles dancing. Wanna dance? Wanna dance, Bubbles? Bolo 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 shabi, শত বিনা বেনু রবে, ভারত আবার জগৎ সভায় শ্রেষ্ঠ আসন লবে, বলো 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 সবে, শত বিনা বেনু রবে, ভারত আবার জগৎ সভায় শ্রেষ্ঠ আসন লবে. They love this song and they dance, so they're in a happy mood, and I think they love their toy too. So as I was saying, this toy, I think it's pretty big for the cage. As you can see, the height of the cage is not much. It's just 18 inches. And this toy is pretty long. I mean, the height is pretty good. So if I hang it inside the cage, it will just reach towards the bottom of the cage, and I don't think they'll be able to swing on it. Actually, they can play with it anyway. They're already biting it away. So, and they can actually chew onto this wooden perch as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang this little swing outside the cage somewhere, probably on my curtain rod or somewhere, and see how they play with it. I can't keep on holding on to it. They're already playing with it. So I think it's already a hit. And you should also buy a lot of toys for your parrots. If you can't buy them, they can be expensive, and I buy them online. So you can also buy it from anywhere else, from a pet shop, or you can also make your own toys. आप खुद से भी बना सकते हैं. Parrot toys बनाना काफ़ी easy होता है. So I'll show you if I get some time. I have been making some toys for Bubbles and Pebbles. मैं और हमारी बेटी जो है, we both make parrot toys, small toys. बबल्स एंड पेबल्स लव देम. सो आप खुद से भी पैरट टॉयज़ बना सकते हैं और ऐसे ऑनलाइन टॉयज़ खरीद सकते हैं, बट दे शुड बी प्रेफरेबली वुडन नेचुरल टॉयज़. प्लास्टिक का टॉयज़ बर्ड्स को पसंद नहीं होता है उतना, एंड माई बर्ड्स दे डू नॉट प्ले विद प्लास्टिक टॉयज़ एट ऑल. और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़, anything that you buy with colorful beads, these beads have been colored, so I don't know whether they are safe for birds or not. ये जो कलर होता है ये केमिकल होता है इसमें, तो बर्ड्स के लिए सेफ़ नहीं होगा शायद, क्योंकि ये वो चबा जाएंगे और थोड़ा सा खाएंगे तो नहीं, बट इट विल गो इनसाइड देयर माउथ, उसके उनके मुंह में जाएंगे. तो ऑलवेज बिफोर गिविंग द टॉयज़ टू द बर्ड्स यू शुड वॉश द टॉयज़ थरली. बहुत अच्छे से इसको पानी में डुबो के रख के यू लेट द कलर ब्लीड, जो भी कलर निकलना होगा निकल जाएगा. उसके बाद अच्छे से इसको वॉश करके सन ड्राई करके बर्ड्स को आप दीजिए. तो आप जब भी कोई भी टॉयज़ या कोई भी न्यू थिंग, एनीथिंग न्यू अगर आप आपके बर्ड्स को दे रहे हैं तो उसको अच्छे से थरली वॉश करके फिर उसमें डिसइंफेक्ट भी हो जाएगा, जर्म्स का भी डर नहीं रहेगा. एंड देन यू सन ड्राई इट, अच्छे से धूप में सुखा के फिर बर्ड्स को दीजिए, सो दैट दे आर एब्सोल्युटली सेफ फॉर योर पेट बर्ड्स. So this is all about it. Let's see how Bubbles and Pebbles enjoy with their new toy. And some more dancing. Some more dancing. Yes. Bubbles dance, dance, dance. Yes. Good dance. Good dancing. Yes, yes.